The role of Java in serverless architectures. Java is a versatile, robust language. It is great for building complex, scalable apps. Its object-oriented nature, platform independence, and libraries make it ideal for serverless apps. Java lets developers use its vast ecosystem. Applications of Java in serverless architectures. Serverless architectures are changing how we develop and manage apps. Java is key to this shift. Java developers can use AWS Lambda and Azure functions. They can build scalable, event-driven apps with them. They don't have to manage servers. This approach boosts flexibility, cuts costs, and speeds up development. It lets developers focus on writing code and delivering value, not managing infrastructure. Backend development. Java is often used to build the backend logic of serverless apps. It handles tasks like data processing and business logic. Event-driven integration. Java enables seamless integration with event triggers and other components in serverless architectures. Data storage. Java enables fast data storage and retrieval in serverless apps. It ensures high performance and reliability. Real-world use cases. Real-world use cases demonstrate the practical applications of technology in various industries. These examples show technology's power to transform. They use AI to streamline operations and new software to improve customer experiences. Examining real-world cases can help organizations. They can learn to use these tools to boost efficiency, gain a competitive edge, and grow. Conclusion. In conclusion, Java is vital to serverless architectures. It is a scalable, efficient, and reliable language for modern apps.